For our project, we measured the weight of individual packages of trail mix and compared that weight to the labeled weight on the packages. The goal of our project was to determine whether the actual weight of the trail mix packages fell below the labeled weight. Our null hypothesis was that the actual weight of the trail mix would be equal to or exceed the labeled value, while our alternative hypothesis was that the weight would fall below the labeled value. It is important for the actual weight to be equal to or greater than the advertised value because it ensures the product's quality and makes sure it meets any regulatory guidelines. Our data was obtained from a box of 30 individual bags of Carr's gluten-free sweet and salty trail mix. Because all of our data was obtained from the individual packages in a single box, our study could be improved by having packages from multiple different boxes of the trail mix product. The weight of the 30 trail mix packages were each measured to the nearest tenth of a gram using a digital scale. Of the 30 packages of trail mix, the majority of them had a weight above the advertised value of 35 grams, while only 2 of them had a value that fell below that amount. Our hypothesis was that the average weight of the trail mix would be greater than or equal to the weight listed on the packaging. For testing our hypothesis, we decided to use the one-side t-test to find the mean. Our chosen level of confidence was 95%. One of the things I learned from this project was how to properly create a null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Another thing I learned from this project was how to properly control for errors when measuring the data. I did all the measurements for the data in my house, and initially the AC in my house was throwing off the measurements by a couple tenths of a gram, so I had to turn that off and then do all my measurements to make sure that it wasn't getting thrown off by the airflow in the house.